Hello friends, in this tutorial we discuss about text tool. So you can choose it from large tool set. Just click on screen, then type whatever you want, then click to finish. This is a normal text. If you want to lead a text, just override any object, then click and drag, again click this leader text. So if you want to change anything, you can change. Okay, just type, so click. If you want to change the style, font, etc., just go Windows, Model Info, Text. Here you can choose this screen text. Screen text means only text. This civil tips, for example. Leader text means text with a arrow symbol. So that is leader text. So if I select all screen text, you can select this one. If I select all leader text, selected all this. Okay. If I want to change screen text, regular size bigger. Okay. And also I want to change the color. Select all screen text, update. So it's automatically change. Now I change leader text. So select our leader text, font, bold. Okay. And also leader lines, end point. You can choose it various end points. First I change the color. So here end point, I choose open arrow, update. So you can see the open arrow, dot, update, it's changed to dot, close. So the another method, you can select the text, then you can change to entity info. And you can choose change font, you can change the font. Yeah, the advanced activities, you can change the text and you can change the styles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.